Hello friends and followers. Well, I finally got this thing back together. This took me a few hours. It was a lot of work. So rebuilding this little head here with all the intricacies. You can see this in the last video, how to put this back together, but it's clicking now. You can hear it. Doesn't click very loud, but that means it's temperature compensating and the thermostatic switch is switching. This again is an Apple power cord, which was too thick compared to the cord that was on this thing, but it worked and I didn't have to buy a cord off eBay, or I really couldn't find any decent cords for this thing that, with a quick look, that would work out well. The old cord is better, of course. The old cord is nice and floppy and flimsy, but unfortunately it dry rotted and it shorted out, so the old cord is trashed. But the new one apparently is gonna work, so that puts me back in business. I use this thing for fixing radios, and I've used it for probably 30 or 40 years, on and off. There's a long stretch where I didn't use this thing for probably 20 years, but it kind of came along with me to different houses and got stored, and now I'm using it to fix these old amateur radios, and it's fairly essential, so glad it's working. Well, my brother has expressed an interest in this radio. He is a newly minted general amateur radio operator, which I'm proud of him, very proud. So I've been trying this radio on frequency. This thing is at just about 2 kZs off sometimes. I've been listening to some people on channel 19 here in Las Vegas, and it's rather hilarious. They are rather demeaning to each other. So anyway, that basically seals the deal on this little soldering iron here. It's working like a champ again. This thing was so crowded, the way I had it wired in here, it was a mess, and I was lucky in many cases. I was able to terminate the strain relief here exactly by luck, by nothing else but luck. And I think this is gonna work for a while, so I'm glad about that. Looks like somebody bought one of my tempo radios here, so one of these tempos is about to get packed up. Which one is it? It's one with the case. It's this one here. This one is going bye-bye, so goodbye, Tempo 1. May somebody enjoy you. All right, that's about it. Still working on the amplifier. I learned that somebody else in Las Vegas, a guy named, what's his name, Roy? He has one of these things, and he fixed his all up, so maybe I can get this thing fixed up. He kept saying, it's old, it's huge, it's old, it's huge. Yes, it is all those things. This is the Omni 6 I worked on. It's working pretty well for now. And I'm slowly getting rid of radios for a lot of reasons, health reasons, lots of reasons. Radios are going out the door. This Drake TR7, I don't think I'll part with it. I like that radio a lot. Gotta keep something, right? The R4A and the T4XC is for sale, along with the speaker and power supply, the AC4, so that's kind of cool. So eventually I'll have this room kind of cleared out, and I'll probably end up selling all these parts in one big batch to somebody. World War II radio, I've had that on eBay. There's not much interest in it, but it's there. I think I got a Paragon 1 packed in here somewhere, and I'm not sure what that is, but we'll find out. And these cases are what the linear amplifier came in, which is the one over here. I put this on eBay, but there's no takers on it, and that's fine. I figure if it sells, it sells. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.